Hi guys, how are you today? This is Z Berman and Tip of the Week for Revit. And today we're going to talk about viewless schedules. Just before I start, guys, if you like this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to get any notifications, just hit the bell. If you got any comments, just comment down below. Okay, great. Let's get on to it. So I'm here in one of my basic sample projects, and today I'm going to show you what's a viewless schedule. So basically, what's a viewless schedule? A viewless schedule is basically a view that will list all the views in your project. So how do you do that? So we go up here to schedules in our project browser, okay, and then right click, and you see here we have new view list. Okay, I click that, and then basically it's like a regular schedule, and what we're going to do here is we're going to insert the fields that we want in our schedule. Okay, so we're going to put in associated level, I'm going to put in detail level, put it in, I'm going to put in family and type, of course. Let me just bring that up. I'm going to put in phase. I'm going to put in scale. I'm going to put in sheet name, sheet number, title and sheet, very important. I'm going to put in a view name, and I'm going to put in view template. Okay, so these are going to be the ones that, let me also move up view name, just so we can see. Okay, we have family type, then we have view name. Okay, I'll go here, okay. And then what it's actually doing, it created our view list. So basically, it gives us all the views in this project. Now, before I continue, I think it's always better to, any schedule we have, we want to maybe sort it out, or just that it would be a little bit more easier for us to visualize. So I would come here, and let me just, 1 second, I'll expand this a bit more here, if we can see actually the view names and the family name types. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort it out. So I'm going to go here into fields, and I'm going to go in here to sorting and grouping. I'm going to sort this one by family and type. I'm going to give this a header and a blank line. And I'm going to go here to the formatting, and I'm going to make this as a hidden field. So what it's going to do, it's going to actually take the family and type, make this as a hidden field, but actually also give it like a header, and it will give it actually a header, as you see, and a blank line like I did, and it's going to actually show it a bit nicer. Okay, before I get on here, we have also, what I will do is I'll go here to the alignment. I'll just press all of these fields, and I'll just make the alignment in center. Okay, and then I'm going to go here, okay. And now you can see what we got here is basically we got 3D views, we got detail views, we got elevations, we got floor plans, and we got renderings. Okay, we have also more here sections also. But you can see here already how we can see this much nicer. Now, what can we do with this view list? So, first of all, it's really good, easy to do. Let me just make this a bit more better here, that we can actually see what we're looking at. So we can actually very easily rename these views. So if you want to rename, let's say here we have north, east, west, and south, and we have here kitchen or from yard. Let's say I just want to rename one of the views. I'll rename one of these views to, let's say, I'll call it North A. If I have a couple of, let's say, of North AA, I have a couple of, let's say, elevations. So that's North AA, let's say. And then I'm gonna go okay. And then you can see automatically it's renaming it, and you can also come and see here in the project browser, you can see already here it's renaming it. Okay, so that's just one thing you can do. You can also, of course, change all the detail levels. I can change this all to fine, and I can go each one and just change them to fine. Okay, so that's just another, or course, whatever we want. We can also change here, of course, the phasing. Scale value we can change. Sheet name we can put in. You can see we can actually, it's already, we have that information already before. Sheet number, and then we have here title and sheet. So you can see here, okay, title and sheet. What that does is it's a field that if we want to change the title on the sheet, we can actually put that data here. So let's say if I have here my, let's say I have North AA, but I want it to be, because that's the name of the elevation that I just changed, but I want it actually to be on the title bar of the sheet, would say, let's say, just North, okay, just for you to see. Okay, so now if I'm gonna drag, I think this sheet is not on a, this view is not on a sheet. Let me just see. Yeah, you can see it's not on the sheet. So let me just create a sheet. So we go here to sheets. Okay, go here to new sheet. And do here A1. And then I'll come up here to North AA. And look what happens when I drag it. The name of the sheet on the name of the view on the sheet is supposed to say North. Let's see if that's what's going to happen. It's saying North AA. Okay. Now you can see what I did is I actually dragged that there. But let's go back here again and see if I did here title and sheet. I went here because I did it. Can you see what I did? I did it here in the 3D views. Now what I want to do is take that, just gonna control X that. You can see here elevation North AA, and here I'm gonna say it's North. Okay, now let's go to the sheet. Can you see? It's changed. So that's just what I wanted to show you today, guys. This is a view list schedule part 1. So you can have an understanding of what you can actually do with this view list. And there's going to be another part 2. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I hope you like this tip. Again, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to get any notifications, just hit the bell. If you got any comments, just comment down below. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.